Alright, so welcome back to another video on Beast Form RNG. We are 19 hours and 20 minutes from the Halloween part 2 of update. But today we are going to be opening 100 of the Halloween limited eggs. So we have 60,000 candy, so we can buy 100 eggs. So let's get that. Holy fuck, man. That's a lot of grinding. That is a lot of grinding. But now let's go to items. It's slowly counting up the eggs. That's insane. Alright, you saw the last video. We only opened up 3, and we got, what the fuck? Okay, it's bugging out just because, it's counting up the eggs right now. So, we got 2 of these and 1 of these with 3 eggs. I'm hoping to get one of the huges, or multiple with 100 eggs. I don't actually know for sure. We're gonna use some boosts here. So let's wait for this to be ready. Alright, so how long? 10 minutes. So these are all used for 10 minutes. So let's use one of those. Use one of those. Use one of those. Okay? And then let's use a daisy flower and a star flower. And let's start our opening. There's one. Devil honeybee. Okay. Alright, Carnage Vicious Bee. Carnage Vicious Bee. Oh! Huge Nightmare Bee. Holy shit. We just got the 0.7%. Huge bee. What the hell? Plus times 3 luck? Holy, let's equip that. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's claim a boost. That's insane. Alright, let's continue the hatch. That's insane. Alright. Devil bee. Boom! Huge carnage. Yo! Okay. Let's equip that. Look at that. That's insane. That's actually insane. Wow, we got both of the huges. So let's, I'm just gonna mute up and we're gonna open the rest of these. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is taking a long time. So I'm gonna set up a auto clicker to finish this. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so I got the auto clicker all set up. So let's get to the auto clicking. I feel like this is going to take a long time to finish. So we'll get to 50 on here. And then I will do the rest of the 50 on camera. Off camera, I mean. And we'll see what I get. So here's the last one on camera. Be huge. Come on. Be huge. That'll be awesome. Alright. Well, I will be back when I'm done hatching everything. Alright, we are on the last 5 Halloween eggs, so let's hope for another huge, because I don't even know if I got a huge out of other than the first 2, I don't know if I've got another one. I haven't really been paying attention that much, so let's hope, we can only hope, that's all you can do. Come on. Alright. Last Halloween egg. Here we go. Okay, it just didn't. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Alright. Well, that is 100 of the Halloween eggs. So, let's see what we got. Oh, we got 2 huge carnage bees. Nice. Alright. And 1 huge nightmare bee. That is awesome. And then how about Got 19 of the Nightmare Bee, 29 of the Carnage, and 52 of the Devil Honeybee. We'll see what these others look like. So here is the Nightmare Bee. Here's the Courage Vicious Bee. Alright. Oh, okay, bro cannot be seen. And then the Devil Honeybee. Face is a little big. And then of course, the two huges. Huge Carnage Vicious Bee. And obviously the huge Nightmare Bee. So I'm obviously going to keep this equipped while I'm grinding. Obviously. But yeah, that's it for this video. And I'll see you for Halloween Part 2. Alright. Okay, so you just watched me hatch over like 100 of the Halloween event eggs. And I was playing the game for a couple hours, like a couple hours since I recorded that video. And I got kicked for exploiting, and I'm permanently banned from the game. I did nothing wrong. I'm just playing the game normally. I have like a total of 11,000 hours played. I just posted a community post, so probably saw that on getting banned. So like, if you're the owner and you see this shit, like, yo, come on, bro, unban me. I literally did nothing wrong. I spent money on your game. Like, I'm not gonna exploit in a game that I spend money on. Like, it's kind of stupid. So, sorry to end this video off on a low note, but this is the last one until I get unbanned from this game, or I'll just move on to another game, or wait until something else happens. So, yeah, that's all I gotta say.